everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to review Bath & Body Works sleep range. And I'm not going to review one product but the whole sleep range. It has a body lotion, a body wash, a sleep mist and a hand cream. I'm so sorry I cannot fit all of these products in my hand, but these are the 4 products. So this range I got it in sale. This is from AROMATHERAPY. If you have used AROMATHERAPY before, you would know that this AROMATHERAPY range from Bath & Body is one of the most elite ranges. The products under AROMATHERAPY are actually very therapeutic. They are very nice. They're basically very addictive. The fragrance of these products, all of the products from AROMATHERAPy, once you start using them, there's like no going back. I got a body lotion I think 2 years back from AROMATHERAPY, and I ended up using 4 bottles of it. It was amazing. So the sleep range is obviously meant to be used before bedtime. Well, it's meant to be used at night, but still I use it in the daytime as well, because why not? If I'm spending so much money, I'm not gonna limit my usage to just before bedtime. But all of these products individually are amazing. The fragrance of all the 4 products are somewhat similar. It's very mild, especially the pillow mist. It's commendable. The pillow mist is actually commendable. I use it on a satin pillowcase. So after using this pillow mist, I sleep nicely. It's not like it's helping me or it's disturbing my sleep. It's just normal. It feels nice. But if you are worried that if the fragrance is too strong, or if you're not into fragrance a lot, and if you feel it gives you headaches or something like that, even my mom uses it. My mom has severe issues with fragrance. She cannot use products which smells too strong. It gives her headaches. It makes her nauseous, and I was worried that if I'm gonna spray a pillow mist on her pillow and if she's gonna smell it all night, it's gonna give her headache. But thankfully nothing like that happened. It was a very big surprise for me that this pillow mist actually did not give her any headaches or any discomfort. She slept very comfortably, same as with me. We do not face any such sleep issues. This definitely won't disturb your sleep, if not help you sleep. And this has a very mild lavender and vanilla fragrance. So amazing product. Not sure if it's gonna help you sleep, but definitely something to try out. Next is the hand cream. It claims to give you overnight moisture. The hand cream is very nice. It actually locks in the moisture. You can use it in the day and night both. There's no such rule when it comes to hand creams, but since this is a sleep range, I think they wrote to be used at night for everything, but you can definitely use it in the day as well. Same as with the shower gel. Of course, it is to be used at night. It's for sleep. It's for before going to bed. But this is very nice. Again, it's a plastic bottle. I know the moisturizer I used to use was in a glass bottle, but this is in a plastic bottle. Of course, I prefer plastic bottles when it comes to shower gels, because I keep on dropping a lot of products in my shower, and I'm not sure if I can go without breaking a glass bottle in my shower, and that would be bad. So I think it's fine to use like a plastic bottle if it's a recycled one, obviously. And a very nice product. Now third is the body lotion. The body lotion is again very nice. It's definitely non-greasy. It feels smooth. It feels nice on your skin. It eliminates the dryness to a certain point. You can use it again. You have to use it at night, but you can use it in the day as well. If you're spending your money, it's okay. So these were the 4 products. The range is amazing, and thank you all for 1,000 subscribers. I did not expect this in 1 year, and my channel has finally been monetized. I love you all for that, and I want to grow so much more on YouTube. And this background is gonna change very soon. It's just very temporary, maybe for 2-3 more videos, and then it's gonna change. This was it. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I have changed my Instagram ID, so this is like my new ID. I keep on giving new updates over there, and yeah, subscribe to my channel. I love you all. Follow me on Instagram. Bye bye.